When we talk about woodworking, most people consider purchasing power tools. However, it is essential to understand that using hand tools in woodworking is important and that woodworking is not limited to using large, pricey power tools. Although a lot of people naturally think that power tools like drills, polishers, sanders, and table saws are the only tools that can add up well with woodworking, it is not true in all cases. Well, it will be made easier and faster for carpenters and woodworkers to complete in their projects, but they won't be able to show different crafting skills without hand tools. Hand tools are used for a wide range of tasks, including measuring, marking, fastening, chiseling, and more, by professional woodworkers and carpenters, as well as home users and DIY enthusiasts. Ready to move up in the wonderful woodworking world and take on more challenging projects? FRB 300 Cordless Trimmer. This cordless router is specifically built for materials like plastics and wood. It is stable and offers high precision while milling. It is very convenient and has an ergonomic handle with a soft grip. Besides, it also has a well-placed center of gravity. This tool is equipped with a connection for a dust collector. It is compatible with 4 LED battery indicators that can be found in the BT204 and BT202 batteries. It offers a quick charge feature that can be charged fully in 1 hour. It is much easier and more feasible to handle this tool since equipped with a 6 and 8mm collectors, a guide with a roller, a parallel guide, and 1 dust nozzle with a knob. Guide Pro. Guide Pro is a tool purposely built for brand saws to provide previously unavailable new capabilities and safety benefits. The cutting-edge Guide Pro uses a silicone feather that is 6 inches long and can be bent to apply constant pressure to the vertical edge of the workspace just before the blade. It is ideally suited for strip cutting. Even better, the adjustable quill offers new abilities for cutting odd-shaped materials as the ply accumulates to various material shapes. Guide Pro also has a highly adjustable feather, which is a great choice for more saw applications where consistent material control is essential. Guide Pro makes cutting long boards easier and more convenient because it seeps the material in place as it fed into the blade while you support and feed the board. The silicone feather used in manufacture of Guide Pro is non-maraging and reduces vibration to promote clean cuts. Besides being easy to use, it is also really easy to set up. Concealed hinge jig. The concealed hinge jig makes it easy to use concealed hinges to install cabinet doors. Install doors that fit perfectly and work well with this cost-effective, simple-to-use jig that ensures the hinges are aligned correctly. Additionally, the carbide-tipped bit with the concealed hinge jig can be used with any standard drill. In the concealed hinge jig and a drill, the depth stop collar ensures that the included carbide-tipped bit is precisely positioned and offset, and the jig always drills to the ideal depth. Because they are adjustable, hidden, and very effective, concealed hinges are great for mounting cabinet doors. However, a substantial hole must be dug to a precise depth and position to mount them. You only need a drill and the carbide-tipped bit that comes with the Kreg concealed hinge jig to drill those holes, which takes guesswork out of the process. Stuzama 2 Wood Bending Machine. Stuzama 2 is a multi-purpose and high-performance machine that effectively performs solid wood bending with a new, user-friendly, and durable design that allows for open, symmetrical, and asymmetrical bending in a single plane. It is easy to use and requires little upkeep. The bending beam's tensioning band system has made it worldwide service proven. Enhanced standard features include independently adjustable limit switches, automatic longitudinal pressing, and bending speed selection with a touchscreen and operator panel. There are 2 independent gear brake motors that drive the machine. The automatic system is placed in the center press with the longitudinal pressing. The machine comes to a stop on a side when it reaches the end position. This tool makes sharp bending beams simple, even at high bending angles. Quick retooling is made possible by the simple bending length adjustment and smooth mold change. Bevel-and-mitre-box. This is a clever 2-in-1 product. The mitre box and bevel gauge are built for measuring and sawing minute sizes of mitres, ensuring perfect baseboards with fine fittings. This permanently eliminates the need for an angular bevel gauge. Additionally, you will be able to avoid the time-consuming and error-prone process of transferring the appropriate angle to the saw. It allows you to make use of 2 moving arms to easily measure corners from 85 to 180 degrees. Place the baseboard in the provided guides in the second step and then use the back saw to see it. Miter accuracy is guaranteed by the automatic angle bisector with its 2 guide pins. You will be able to achieve flawless baseboard transitions using the bevel and miter box, even with the most skewed corners of old buildings that have to offer. WEN Electric Hand Planer. The 6-amp motor of this power planer slices away any irregularities from your workspace at a rate of over 34,000 cuts per minute, resulting in an aligned and smooth surface for your boards. This is the ideal tool for turning poor quality wood into perfectly usable boards due to its cutting width of 3 1/4 inches and a maximum cutting depth of 1/8 inch. From 0 to 1/8 of an inch, the 16 positive steps to increase in increments of 1/128 of an inch. A V-shaped groove on the base plate shoe makes it simple to smooth out sharp post corners. When planning door edges, wood, trim, and boards, the parallel fence is a must-have because it ensures that your strokes are directly parallel to the edge of the wood, resulting in a cut that is precise and straight. By keeping the blade elevated and away from the project surface between uses, a kickstand safeguards the blade as well as the workplace. Veritas Inlay Cutter Head. By using the fence of the Veritas large router plane to precisely control groove position and depth, this simple attachment allows you to make a shallow groove to accept inlaid branding or stringing. A pair of included single bevel slicing blades are housed in the cutter head, and they create defined groove outlines across the grain. The blade can be adjusted for spacing to define groove widths with the included set of shims and spacers. The set includes one of each 0.04 and 0.08 and 0.12 steel spacers, as well as 5 plastic shims in each of the 4 sizes. It is equipped with non-maraging brass, therefore it can be molded onto the fence rod for curved edges. Jet Portable Benchtop Planner. The power and efficiency that woodworkers require in the shop are provided by this next level tool. The helical style cutter head of the Jet 13 planner has 6 rows of 24 individual quick change inserts that can be easily rotated or replaced if they become worn or damaged, resulting in a cut surface that is smooth and consistent. The cutter head is shaped like a spiral, and its 2 HP motor spins at an impressive 10,000 RPM, which helps reduce noise and provides efficient cutting. The machine has 2 in-feed speeds, adjustable folding tables, a robust cast iron base that helps reduce snipe, a rugged design with 4 posts. Graph Speed Cutter. This woodworking blade is made for the angle grinder that strikes a good balance between safety and usability. The radial resistance of an angle grinder at a high rate of rotation is acceptable for woodworking. The Speed Cutter graph disc with only 3/10 makes it easier to handle. Another advantage is that the right blade has a diameter of 115mm and 125mm, making it simple to work on a variety of materials at once. Therefore, there is no need to purchase a power tool if you already own a flex angle grinder, which can be used for cutting and grinding metal. It's as simple as switching from a cut-off wheel to a woodworking speed cutter blade and started working. Its tungsten carbide teeth provide from the disc body to surface to enable smooth grooving and rapid cutting as an additional application for the blade. Additionally, the 3-tooth cutting edge is simply shaped to be round. Wood Magnet Leveling Tool. This tool, Cutting Edge Wood Magnet, is designed for skilled carpenters and professional framing carpenters. It can be used with pipes and 4x4 posts with a diameter of up to 4 inches. Surprisingly, it will not fall off any material used for leveling. You are also able to use a long stud to quickly level up to 8 feet or more. It is also equipped with 3 virals that are simple to read, cushioned rubber grip, and a high-impact ABS body. 𝗖cie Hollow Chisel Mortiser. The 𝗖cie Hollow Chisel Mortiser is an industrial-grade machine made in the UK with no compromises. The chisel headstock and its industrial-duty motor are mounted to the cast iron base, column, table, and sideways, making it a rigid and long-lasting mainframe assembly. For ease of maintenance, a single dovetail slide can easily adjust all slide movements. It is weighed to counterbalance the chisel headstock rise and fall mechanism, allowing for finger grip control. A 13mm chuck is included in the 1.1W induction motor to accommodate various chisel bit sizes. The length stop bar is now mounted on the front of a new style table, and a single hand wheel control allows for both longitudinal and lateral movement. 3 positions of the angled timber clamp allow for a maximum width of 180mm of timber. 𝗫𝗔𝗃's Jointing Machine. The AB111N jointing machine is made to groove panels in any position. It is not necessary to take exact measurements because of the micrometric fence design of this smart machine allows for the adjustable at any height or angle, and the graphic signs make it even more possible to adjust the joint with lateral displacement of about 2 cm after the groove has been made. A stopper has been pre-adjusted that makes it simple and quick to select the various grooving depths. This aids the user in working without getting distracted by the measurements. The machine typically works on panels with various thicknesses of 16, 19, and 22mm. However, the machine can work on thicker pieces with the presence of a movable fence, which allows the grooves to be perfectly centered. For stronger joints, it's best to make 2 or 3 more grooves. If you liked the video, check out this video, Ingenious Clothes You Will Want to Buy.